For our final lectures, we'll talk about what common household substances and food items can be toxic to your pet and why you should avoid them. The Oread got it partially right. Chocolate really isn't good for dogs, but nor is milk. Actually, there are a surprisingly large number of common foods that may be dangerous to pets. You can print out the following list from our lecture notes. Although some of us might like it on a Friday night, alcohol can actually cause vomiting, diarrhea, breathing difficulties, tremors, lethargy, coma, and even death in our pets. Avocados can also cause vomiting and diarrhea in dogs. And breathing difficulties, congestion, heart problems in birds and rodents. Now, feeding cooked bones can be quite controversial, with some veterinarians recommending it and others not. I definitely avoid feeding cooked bones because they're very difficult to digest and can get stuck or splinter in their digestive tract. Uncooked bones can also risk splintering, and excess bone consumption can lead to severe constipation. Dogs can also chip or fracture teeth while they're chewing them. Caffeine, including tea and coffee, can cause dogs to vomit, have diarrhea, pant excessively, be hyperactive, have excess thirst, urination, abnormal heart rate, tremors, seizures, and even death. Chocolate can also cause these problems. Excess fat, particularly from vegetable oils, pig and chicken fat, can also cause vomiting, diarrhea, and pancreatitis, especially in dogs. Fruit pips, such as from apricots, avocados, peach, or cherries, can be indigestible and get lodged in the gastrointestinal tract or cause choking if they get lodged in your pet's airways. Now, some people like to use it as a flea preventative, but garlic can actually cause gastrointestinal irritation and red blood cell damage in dogs and cats. The green portions of potatoes, their leaves and their stems can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and even paralysis in pets. Popular where I come from in Australia, macadamia nuts are actually really poisonous for dogs, causing vomiting, weakness, depression, tremors, and high temperatures within 12 hours of consumption. Pets don't produce the same enzyme lactase that enables them to break down the lactose sugar in milk. As a result, milk and dairy products which contain this lactose sugar can cause diarrhea and other gastrointestinal upset. I therefore don't recommend that you ever feed your pets dairy products. Never feed moldy foods because they can produce toxins that cause vomiting, diarrhea, paralysis, weakness, lethargy, and tremors. Raisins, just like grapes, can cause kidney failure in dogs and should also be avoided. Raw and undercooked meat and eggs can contain dangerous bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli, and raw eggs contain the enzyme avidin, which can reduce the absorption of a B vitamin biotin, leading to skin and coat problems. Similar to garlic, onions and onion powder can cause gastrointestinal irritation and red blood cell damage in dogs and cats. As delicious as it is, excess sugar, just like in humans, can lead to vomiting, gastrointestinal upset, diabetes, excess thirst, and even loss of consciousness in our pets. Interestingly, xylitol, which is an artificial sweetener used in candy and cakes and gum, can cause massive insulin release in most species, leading to low blood sugar. This can cause incoordination, seizures, and sometimes liver failure.